Hi and welcome to my kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make excellent cauliflowers in the oven. So let's start right now. I have here a very easy way to cook cauliflower. I'm going to do them in the oven. I'm going to put oil, enough to make them completely oily. Onion powder, garlic powder, salt and pepper. A little bit of flakes for a little bit of spice, and basil, and that's it. So make sure there's enough oil. I'm gonna add a little more. We put on a pan. So I'm gonna put it in the oven for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. That's it. 400-degree Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes. Time to do the dishes. So this is my nice cauliflower. Now they are tender, they are crispy on the side, and they have a lot of flavor too. So that's exactly what we want. We want to color both sides. This is a nice side dish that can go with any meat, or it's very good. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe and that you will like it. Subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next video.